Okay, hey you guys, we getting ready to eat lunch. Some Sichuan style spicy pork buns. Alright, so the instructions say to use a damp cloth if you're gonna do them in the microwave. So I didn't have a big plate, so I got this little bitty plate. Can't get in this bag. I don't know why these things are so difficult for me. I don't even have my nails on. I still can't get in this bag. Anyway, finally got this bag open. It's like little pieces of like wax paper on them in the bag already that it peels off when you use it. And you see I had set my buns on top of the damn paper towel, but I remember the instructions said to put the damp towel over the microwave safe dish. So, you know, I'm a little slow sometimes. Time to go in the microwave. And yes, I'm that person. I hit 1 minute and then 30 seconds. OMG. So here are the instructions. Here are the ingredients. Nutritional value. All that jazz. So these are right out of the microwave. They're so soft. They're not hard or anything. You don't know what that dancing means. It's about to go down. And for the sauce lovers, this is some sweet chili sauce. So I decided I would try it with this sweet chili sauce. Yeah, we'll see that outcome. Okay. Hot. These buns, when you microwave them, are very hot on the inside. Usually I would just split them open and let it sit to cool for a minute, but since I was doing a video, I just wanted y'all to see the steam and all that jazz. Spicy. Sweet tea. Ooh. Y'all, though, the buns, the bread part is very, very soft. It's good. I really don't need no sauce. So it's not the smartest idea to eat, because the meat inside is already spicy. Then I used the spicy dipping sauce, that sweet chili. Wasn't the best idea. I won't be doing that again. Y'all, I think the fact that it was still heat hot was intensifying the spicy hot. Because I don't remember these being this hot before. I don't know. I just underestimated the spice level. Y'all want a bite? I don't know if I'm more agitated about the fact that I didn't let it cool off, or the fact that I used this spicy sauce to put on the spicy meat. I don't know. Not smart at all. My burning. I don't even want no more to eat at this point. Y'all, when I came in today, I had a little cute Christmas gift from one of the employees at work. It had my first and last name on it, period. It was a Coke. For me to be in such agony about how spicy it is, why would I dip it in the sauce again? Help me make sense of this. Hot. I'm not gonna eat this last one. I'm really not feeling it. I've had them before. I guess this just ain't what I had a taste for. And it's super spicy. Sometimes you just ain't in the mood for a stomach ache, or the stomach burn, or the heartburn, or whatever you want to call it. Whew. So, we're not gonna eat this last one, but they are good. Check your local Asian marts. And until next time, my good people.